Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, yeah boy, Maker Kun, and I'm back with another crappy tutorial, in which, I'm gonna show you guys how you can program an Atmega 328PU. So we all know that an Arduino consists of an Atmega 328PU microcontroller, which is quite powerful and can be used to drive all sorts of things, which includes variety of sensors, displays, LEDs, and other stuff. But what if we can take out this microcontroller and put it on a breadboard in order to make our own Arduino to power something with it, for example blinking an LED with it on a breadboard? Yes, we can do that. Let me show you how. But first, here's the intro. Hit that subscribe button. In order to make a minimal Atmega 328PU setup, we gonna need a 16 MHz crystal oscillator, two 22PF ceramic capacitors, and a 10 kilo ohm resistor. First let's do the wiring. Place Atmega 328PU on a breadboard. Then connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor between reset pin and VCC of the microcontroller. Now add the crystal on breadboard, and connect two ceramic capacitors on pin 9 and 10 according to the scheme. Now let's add an LED to digital pin 4 and ground. And our minimal Atmega setup is complete. Let's flash the microcontroller now. To flash the microcontroller, I'm gonna use an Arduino Nano. Open Arduino IDE, go to Example Sketches and open Arduino as ISP sketch. Upload it to your Arduino first. This will let us use our Arduino as an ISP programmer. Now our Arduino Nano is an ISP programmer. Add an 10 UF poly capacitor between reset pin and ground. Now connect VCC of Atmega 328PU to VCC of Nano and ground to ground. Pin 10 of Nano to reset pin of Atmega. Pin 11 of Nano to D11. Pin 12 of Nano to D12. And pin 13 of Nano to D13. And we're done with wiring. Let's start flashing our microcontroller. Go to Tools and select your target microcontroller as an Arduino UNO, select your COM port and programmer as Arduino as ISP. Then hit Burn Bootloader. After burning the bootloader, hit Upload using programmer and your microcontroller should flash with whatever sketch is open at that moment, in our case, the blink sketch with digital pin 4 as an output. And voila! You can now flash an Atmega 328PU on a breadboard. Well done! Now remove all the wires connected between Nano and Atmega. Power your Atmega with an voltage of 5 volts. I'm connecting a lithium cell of voltage 3.7 to power our setup. Remember this, do not supply voltage greater than 5 volts to your microcontroller or you gonna kill this microcontroller. You can now build a PCB for Atmega 328P in order to create your own Arduino UNO, like this. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, then hit that subscribe button and leave a like or share this useless video. Peace out.